Hi, are you tired of wasting your valuable time and money on education? Well, I know how you feel. I did the same thing too when I was doing my studies. But good news, I am here to help you. My name is Michelle. I am the president of DJJI Enterprises Learning Hub, and we are on a mission. At DJJI Enterprises, we are providing the best alternatives to students. Whoever you are and wherever you are, you deserve a faster, clearer path to the outcomes you are looking for. No guessing, no wasted time, no unnecessary detours. We are providing a smarter way forward. Here, you don't learn alone. You get connected to a supportive learning community, students, mentors, and professionals walking the journey with you. We help you invest in yourself wisely. We are saving you time, energy, and money while maximizing real-world value. Everything you need is in one place. Your learning, your tools, your guidance, your next steps. We focus on your end goal first. We are providing career clarity, skills, credentials, and confidence. Then we walk you step by step back to the starting point so you know exactly how to get there. No confusion, no overwhelm, just a clear, structured journey. You'll connect with professionals in the field, gain insight from real experiences, and test your future before committing to it. Because you shouldn't have to guess your future. You should be able to test it first. DJJI Enterprises Learning Hub is your one-stop shop for learning, direction, and growth, designed to create value not just for today, but for your future self. You're not just enrolling in a program, you're stepping into capable hands. Join DJJI Enterprises Learning Hub, where service meets excellence and your future becomes intentional. To learn more, please visit us at www.djjienterprises.com, contact info@djjienterprises.com, or call 1-844-DJJIENT or 1-844-355-4368. Thank you. We're looking forward to hearing from you soon.